Welcome to Luckymoon.studio to learn about the Bender's program. In this video, learn about creating the pizza's oven. Shift A to add the Q's model. Place Tab to edit mode. To edit the model, place Ctrl R to add the line for the model for each size. Select the face centers and extrude inside the model. To create a storage compartment, select the face below and delete the face. Shift A to add the Q's model. Change the shape to create top storage for the pizza's oven. Select the storage and as the bevel modifier, change the segment to 10. Change the amount to 0.03. Select the top and as the bevel modifier, change the amount to 0.5 and the segment to 10. Shift A to add one Q's model. Tab to edit mode. Modify the shape of this model to make a stove. Place Ctrl B to bevel two lines to extend the shape. Select the front face and place I to insert the face. Extrude the face inside the model. Place Alternate C to open the X-ray tool to see inside the model. As the bevel modifier, change the segment to 10 and change the middle outer to arc. Click right and select Shade Smooth. Add the Q's model to make a chimney of the oven. Extrude the face and change the size and extrude one again. Select the top face and place I to insert the face. Extrude down for the model. Place 0 to see the models through the camera. Change the bevel's modifier to the amount 0.03. Change settings for the camera such as type, location, and rotation. A to add the planes model and change the size to round. Add the solidified modifier. Shift A to add the cube model. Change the size of the borders to create the color. Select the font face and press I to insert the face inside. Extrude the face inside the colors model. Press Ctrl R to add the line center. Select one face on the left and Shift D to copy the face. Press P and select the selection. Change the set origin to geometry. Extrude the face to add thickness. Press I to insert the face and extrude a little. Add the bevel modifier and change the segment 10. Add the arrange modifier and change the numbers on factor Y. Shift A to add a cube model. Press Ctrl R to add two lines for the model. Hold Shift Alternate and select the lines below and change the position. Hold Shift and select two faces and extrude a little. Add the bevel modifier and change the amount to 0.02 and the segment to 10. Add the arrange modifier and change the factor Y 1.0. Shift A to add the cube model to create the top counter. Add the bevel modifier and change the amount to 0.03. Change the segment to 10. Open the other eyes model to see the positions of each model. Adjust the positions of the camera to see the model. Shift A to add the cylinder's model to create boot. Change the shape too long to look like the firewood. Edit some points and lines to add the detail for the firewood. As the bevel modify and change the segment to 10. Select the face and place I to insert the face and extrude inside a little. Do the same on the other side. Move the model to set it inside the storage under the oven. Place Alternate D to copy the firewood to set the full storage. Shift A to add the cube model and change the size. Place Ctrl R to add the two lines for the model. Select the two lines and move outside to change the shape. Select the face in the center and extrude to create the handle. Change the size of the model to balance with the ovens. As the bevel modify and change the segment to 10. Shift A to add the circles to create pizza. Change the size to small. Place F to add the face inside the circles model. X to the face to add the thickness for the pizza. Place I to insert the face inside and X to down a little. As the bevel modify and change the segment to 10. add the subdivision surface modifier and change level to Shift A to add the circles model. Place F to add the face inside. This model is a pepperoni to decorate pizza. Add the bevel modifier and change the segment to 10. Shift A to add one circle to create a sauce of pizza. Change the size to fit the pizza dough. Place F to add the face inside. Open the proportional editing on the top. Move some points to freeform. Add the solidifies modifier to add the thickness for the model. Add the bevel modifier to make the model. Add the subdivision surface modifier. Move the pepperoni to set many positions to decorate on the top of the pizza. Shift A to add the cube model to create a pineapple. Change the shape of the cube model to a pineapple cut into small. Add the bevel modifier like the other model to make it smoother. Change the size of the model. Copy the models and set the spread over the entire pizza surface. select all the pizza and move to set it on the top of the pizza spatula. Select bronze model and move to set in the oven. Place 0 to see the model 2 cameras. Move slowly until you get the position you like. Place A to change the size to smaller than the counter. As the bevel modify and change the amount to 0.02. Change the segment to 10. Shift A to add the UV spheres model to create pizza door. Select the points below in the centers and move inside the models to change the shape of the UV spheres. Click right and select Shade Smooth at the subdivision surface and change level 2. Alternate D to copy the models and set the models on the sides of the cutting board. Shift A to add the cylinders model to create a lowering pin. Select the face and place I to insert the face and extrude a little. Adjust the shape to long. Insert the face to make the size the same as the other size. Change the size and rotate to move to set near the cutting board. Place C to change render mode to see the model. Shift A to add the UV spheres model. Change the size and move to set the chimney to create the smoke. Select the UV spheres and click right to select Shade Smooth. Select all the counters and place Alternate C to copy the model. Rotate the model and set it on the sides of the pizza ovens. A to add the Q's model and change the size. Move the model to create the pizza box and set it on the top of the counter. As the bevel modify and change the amount to 0.02 and the segment to 10. Move the camera a little to show all the models in one frame. Shift A to add the Q's model to create box. Set the model in many positions to decorate the pizza oven. Resize the model so that it is fast and not too thick. dark one more scenes. Shift A to add area right to add more right to make the model more interesting and beautiful. Change the power of the light to 300 watts. Change one scene to shader editor. Make some minor adjustments to the models before starting to add materials to the model. Select the orange model. Add the subdivision surface and change level 2. Add the line on the corners on both sides to correct uneven area. Add the box textures and connect with the principal node. Adjust the numbers of rotations in the mapping node. Of course, the display of each side will be different, so we will focus on the main one, then adjust or add materials. Adjust the box textures values to your liking to achieve the patterns you like best. Change the color of the box in these materials to use an orange color tone. Add the bump nodes to make the textures more realistic. Add the noise texture and connect with the bump node. Change the values in the noise and bump node. Tap to edit mode and select the face on both sides. Copy the first materials and change the values in the mapping. Add the bound color for the top storage. Select the ovens and add new materials. Add noise textures and add mapping texture coordinate. Add the color length and change the values in the noise texture. Change the color in the color lamp. as the materials on the chimney and as the materials and material 1. As the new material for the top face on the chimney. Change the color to the same tone as the stove. As the material for the smoke, use the slightly blue gray. As noise texture for the firewood materials. As the wave textures for more detail to these materials. As a color lamp and set it between the wave textures and principle. It consists of dual source and journals. Usually only colors and slight adjustments are used. As the cream colors for the blocks to decorate the pizza oven. As the material for the counters model. As the material for the cutting boards and as the noise textures and color lamp. As the material for the rolling pins and as the wave texture. As the color for the counter's model. Press C to change the render mode to see the models and materials. Add new material for the pizza box and add image texture. Add image from the links below. You can choose your favorite image to use as material for your model. Change to UV editing, then select the areas you want to move and expand to complete the display. Add the color for the background. Change the color in the walls to increase brightness and reduce power consumption. Shift D to copy the area right and set many positions to help brightness. Shift A to add one area right to prevent brightness inside the oven, so you can see the pizza clearly. And this is the final render. And that's all for this video. If you want me to touch you anything, you can comment below and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new video. See you.